Be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Heard Ms. Meera Patel, Learned Counsel appearing for the appellants in both the matters. The respondents in Civil Appeal number 7027 of 2009 are represented by Mr. Rajiv, Learned Counsel. In Civil Appeal number 7150 of 2009, the respective respondents are represented by Learned Counsel. The respondents herein are claiming the benefit of Assured Career Progression Scheme for the central government civilian employees under the OM dated 9 August 1999 issued by the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India. The ACP scheme provided for financial upgradation to the next higher grade of pay for those employees who could not get promotion after 12 years of service. Second upgradation is similarly admissible after 24 years of service. Suman Lata Bhatia and Manju Arora, who were appointed as senior translator, Hindi, were offered promotion to the higher post of Translation Officer, Hindi, on regular basis. But due to personal grounds, they refused the offered promotions. However, the benefits under the ACP scheme were given to the respondents on 15 November 1999, but when it was found that those were wrongly granted, the same were withdrawn by orders dated 4 September 2002 and 10 October 2002 for Suman Lata Bhatia and Manju Arora respectively. The withdrawal order adverted which disentitled financial upgradation under the ACP scheme to those who had refused vacancies-based promotion. It is specifically reflected in the said order that the employee, respondent herein, having refused promotion on multiple occasions, cannot be said to be stagnating as she, of her own volition, has opted to remain in the grade of senior translator, Hindi. Accordingly, taking note of the response to the show cause notice and rejecting the same, the ACP benefit was withdrawn and the respondent was reverted back to her earlier pay scale. Similar steps were taken for the other employee as well. The withdrawal of ACP benefit for the two respondents and one other was challenged before the Central Administrative Tribunal, Principal Bench, in OA number 2673-002 and OA number 3021-002 respectively. In the analogous order, the tribunal adverted to both and noted that the ACP scheme is to provide relief to employees who are suffering stagnation in the same post for long period of time. However, having regard to the clarificatory communication as also the purport of the scheme and the fact that the original applicants had refused regular promotion, they were held disentitled to the upgraded pay scale in terms of the ACP scheme. The tribunal opined that on refusal to accept regular promotion, the employee cannot be considered to be stagnating as she has opted to remain in the existing grade of her own volition. Consequently, the decision of the employer to withdraw the ACP benefits to the three applicants were found to be in order by declaring that they are not entitled to the benefits of upgraded pay scale in terms of the ACP scheme. However, the proposed recovery of the differential pay on account of cancellation of the pay upgradation was interdicted with the observation that the upgraded pay scale was allowed without any misrepresentation from their side. The above decision of the tribunal declaring disentitlement of the original applicants to the ACP benefits were challenged, and both cases were taken up for analogous consideration. The division bench adverted to the condition, as also condition number 10, to conclude that in case a particular employee had turned down the offered promotion, the non-acceptance of promotion would impact their second upgradation only. It was concluded that the employees were rightly given the benefit of first upgradation, which could not have been withdrawn. Accordingly, the judgment of the tribunal was interfered, and consequently, direction was issued for restoration of the upgradation under the ACP scheme to the concerned employees. The basic facts in the civil appeal number 7150 are similar, where the concerned respondents were also appointed as senior translator, Hindi, in the Air Headquarters. The key point of distinction for these two employees was that instead of regular promotion, both were offered promotion.